Good morning, students. Today, let us continue with our revision in English language. We have the revision of Lesson 5, Interrogative Sentences. Here, we shall see what is an interrogative sentence and some examples. Thereafter, we will discuss and learn our exercises of the book and the copy work. So let us see what is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence that asks, a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. So what we have to remember here always, we put a question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. So without a question mark, an interrogative sentence, we cannot say it is an question sentence or an interrogative sentence. So always remember we have to put a question mark at the end. Now here in the lesson we will see first affirmative sentences are given and we are supposed to make it an interrogative sentence, and there are some rules which is already told you and given you in the copy. So please go through that. So some example which of your copy work. Example 1, we are late is an affirmative sentence and we have changing into interrogative sentence, are we late? So the helping verb comes first and the noun or the pronoun comes as the second part, and it is continue with the complete sentence with a question mark. So formation of interrogative sentences. When sentences are in simple present or simple past tense, interrogative sentences are formed as do, does, did, subject plus base form of verb. Verb is the first form of the verb. She smiles a lot. So it is in simple present sense. So and singular. So does she smiles a lot. In the simple present we have to use does. Simple past we have to use did for all the singular and plural. And plural in simple present we use do. Like they do their homework regularly. Do they do the homework regularly? So the rhythm of saying that sentence even is different. Alright, we shall go to the exercises given to you in your book, page 22. Change the following assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. Rewrite the sentences in the space provided. You have already done. I have solved it and sent it to you also this. So please go through along with me with your book. Page 22. Tina talks politely. It's a simple present tense sentence. So we have to use does. Does Tina talk politely? So since we are using does with the verb, we do not put yes. So that's why if you see, does Tina talk politely? He thinks it is too hot. Does he think it's too hot? It is too hot, or short form is too hot. Monkeys can climb on trees. Plural sentence. Can monkeys climb on trees? There will be flowers in winter. Will there be flowers in winter? He is singing. Is he singing? She won the game. Now it is in the simple past tense. So we have to use did. Did she win the game? There is tea in the kettle. Is there tea in the kettle? Buses are running on diesel. Present continuous tense. ing form words. Are buses running on diesel? Next one. He was kind towards the poor. Was kind. Simple past tense. Past continuous. Simple present and past tense. Was he kind towards the poor? Amisha is going to be an actress. simple present continuous tense. Is Amisha going to be an actress? They came home early. Simple past. Did they come home early? Anisha helped the poor. Did Anisha help the poor? Sentence is helped. We understand it is in simple past tense. You were laughing. Were you laughing? Sourav Ganguly batted well. Did Sourav Ganguly bat well? So when we use did in the verb will remain in the first form. Remember that. Did Sourav Ganguly bat well? In the question it was assertive and it was batted, but here it become bat when it comes to the interrogative sentence. My mother was sick. Was my mother sick or was she sick? So what we have to remember is simple present tense does for singular, do for plural, and we add singular we add with the verb yes, and when we use does we remove the s and we put like does Tina talk politely. And in the simple past tense, whether it is singular, whether it is plural, we use did for the question formation, and then we use the first form of the base form of the verb for the interrogative sentence. Like example, they came home early. Came is the past tense, simple past tense. So when we formed into interrogatives or turned into interrogative sentences, it became did they come home early? So came changed into come since we used did over there. So if you see your copy work, I have given you in the copy work, those of you have done in your copy, if you open you will find just a copy work of lesson 5. Change the following assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. Meena sings sweetly. Simple present tense. Does Meena sing sweetly? Number 2. Will he leave early? He will leave early. Will he leave early? Future tense. Simple future tense. The sound was clear. Was the sound clear? The baby is crying. Is the baby crying? We missed the train. Simple past tense. Did we miss the train? So when we use will, that is a future tense, also we use just the first base form of the verb soon after will. So we can start with the question, will he leave early, or will he leave early? Again one more I have given you for the homework. Eagles can fly very high. Can eagles fly very high? There is money in the purse. Is there money in the purse? We helped our poor friends. Did we help our poor friends? Geeta sends beautiful card. Does Geeta send beautiful card? I got up early. Did I get up early? Got up will become get up. Did I get up early? So students, these are the examples from your book and the copy. Kindly go through, learn it, see that, understand and learn where we have to use does, where we have to use do, where we have to use did. So it's very important to go through this lesson and learn it. Thank you.